Hello friend, this is Ryan Hicks of TalkToProfit.com. Today I want to talk to you about why you should not have disagreeable associates, how your friends may be holding you back from success. Amos chapter 3 verse 3 says, "Can two walk together except they be agreed?" You know, many people will say, well, I have friends, but we have all these disagreements. And the reality is there must be some accord there, some bond there. If you keep going around these people who don't hold to the same levels that you do. They don't push themselves towards success. They don't encourage you in your success. Maybe they even discourage you. Now, I'm not one of those people that says, oh, you're the sum of the 5 people you spend the most time with and all this stuff, and they try to get you to dump all your friends and go find more successful friends. Because why would the successful friends want to be around you? You've been hanging around losers. If that's the case, if that's your mindset. I've never been one of those people. I think you should be loyal. But with that being said, at some point you also have to recognize that if these people are a detriment to you, if they're dragging you down, it doesn't matter how many years you've known them, what family relations or what you've been through, you can't hold to nostalgia when somebody has a detrimental effect in your life. When they drag you down, when they don't build you up. When you walk away from being around them feeling less than, feeling sick, feeling demeaned, feeling drained of energy, at that point you have to be honest with yourself and find better associates. Because this life is short. You don't want to waste it with people who don't encourage you, who don't build you up, who don't want the best for you. I'm not talking about somebody who's confused. But there are people who are going and associating with people they've called friends for years, who these friends attack them. These friends discourage them. These friends are at every turn trying to undermine their progress in life. That's not a friend. That's somebody who you, for some reason, feel this bond to, and yet all they're doing is hurting you. There's no good to be found in that. And you're not helping them because you are the punching bag, so to speak, enabling them to act out this sin, to act out this evil against you, because you keep putting yourself in the position. You keep throwing yourself in the proverbial firing line when you have no reason to even be there in the first place. So my friend, I want to encourage you to think about this. The people who you associate with regularly, do you have agreement on the basic issues of life? The basic fundamental outlook on life? Are you in disagreement? Are you building each other up? Or are they tearing you down? And really think about this. Don't make any swift, rash action because you were mad about something somebody did. But really think about the long-term situation you're in. Is this a real friendship built upon love, built upon a foundation of agreement and unity, or is this something that is negative and you need to get rid of? My friend, I pray this is a blessing for you. May God bless you richly.